In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timer in Miro. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com. This brings you to your dashboard where you can access all your boards and workspace tools. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can reach the dashboard view. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start fresh. From the options that appear, choose Board. This opens a new Miro board, which is the canvas where you'll run your session. With your board open, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu for facilitation tools and reactions. This area is designed to help you run structured, time-bound activities, and it typically includes features like reactions, voting, and the timer. Click that menu to expand it so you can see everything available to you on your plan. Next, click Timer. The timer feature is built for time boxing activities like brainstorming, silent mapping, or quick prioritization rounds. It helps everyone stay focused by displaying a countdown to all collaborators in the board, and it keeps the session moving without you having to call out the clock manually. At this point, you may see a message indicating that you need to upgrade your plan to use the timer. That's expected on certain plans as the timer is part of Miro's Advanced Facilitation Toolkit. If you see the upgrade prompt, it means the native timer isn't available on your current plan. You can review the upgrade option to unlock the timer and other facilitation features for your team. If you work within an organization, you might want to check with your Workspace admin about plan availability before upgrading on your own. If you're evaluating whether the timer is worth it, consider your typical sessions. For recurring workshops, daily stand-ups, retrospectives, or any activity where you time box exercises, the built-in timer keeps everyone aligned and removes the need for external tools. It also helps keep momentum by making the countdown visible to all participants. And that's it. You've navigated to your Miro dashboard, created a new board, opened the Facilitation Tools and Reactions menu, and located the timer. If your plan supports it, you're ready to run time-boxed activities directly inside your board. If not, you'll know exactly what to upgrade to enable it. Thanks for watching, and happy facilitating in Miro.